Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about audio settings in CapCut. Let's get started. To access audio controls, click on your video or audio clip in the timeline. If it's a video, click on the audio section on the top right. And then you have these three categories of settings: the basic, voice changer, and the speed. Let's break down each setting in the basic tab. Volume. This controls how loud the clip is. You can control it in decibels, the max being 20 decibels and the lowest being a muted clip. Fade in and fade out. Smoothly bring in or bring out the audio. Fade in is great for intros and fade out is perfect for ending a video, speech or music. Normalize loudness. This balances volume across clips. If one clip is too quiet and another one is too loud, this feature levels them out automatically. Use this when editing multiple voice recordings or interview segments. Enhance voice. This boosts clarity and presence of spoken dialogue. It adjusts frequencies to make voices sound richer, brighter, and more upfront. This is ideal for voiceovers, talking head videos, and reels with spoken audio. This is my voice without the enhanced voice feature, and this is my voice with the enhanced voice feature. Reduce noise. This removes background hums, static, or hiss from your clip. This is super useful if you record in a noisy room, outdoors, or without a good microphone. Use a medium level to avoid sounding artificial. This is my recording without the reduced noise feature, and this is my voice with the reduced noise feature. Separate audio. This tool uses AI to split your audio into separate tracks, like vocals, instruments, drums, guitar, bass, strings, and other. Let me show you how this looks. Let's separate the vocals from this song. As you can see, now I have a new layer with the vocals isolated.
I turn up the volume on the radio. Can you feel my heartbeat beat tonight? Something about you makes me come alive.
Fill channel. If you recorded audio in only one ear, mono, this fills both left and right channels. It creates a balanced stereo sound so the audio doesn't feel lopsided. Use it especially for mic recordings that only came through one side. You can either fill right with left or fill left with right. Go to the voice changer tab right next to the basics. Here you'll find many voice changers like chipmunk, deep voice, robot, echo, female, male, and more. Here's my voice with the mic echo. Here's my voice with the wispy filter. And the last section we have is speed. Here you can select the speed or the duration of the clip. And you can choose if you want to change the audio pitch. Here's what the song sounds at 1.2x speed. And here's what it sounds if I change the audio pitch. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.